From this hard to move table to this easy movable table. Watch and see how I did it. Good day. In this video I will show you how I did this. I'm not going to talk a lot. I believe everything will be clear enough so that you can see what I did. If there are any questions, you are welcome to leave comments and I will answer it as clearly as I can. Most things in my workshop is on wheels, so it's just easier to move them around. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe and follow me. Have a good day. Bye bye.